Hi everyone. Today I'm finally going to look at monetizing your YouTube account. We have put so much work into creating a channel that stands out, attracts viewers, and provides a marketable product. It's time to create a passive income stream. Let's get started. First, the legal stuff. You must have the right to use all video and audio elements included in the videos you wish to monetize. If any content belongs to a third party, you may need to prove you have permission to use the content. Our first step is to confirm that our account is in good standing and then enable monetization and accept the conditions. Now, when we go into the Video Manager, we can click on the $sign. This takes us to the Monetization tab in the video's Information and Settings page, where we can select the ad format and syndication settings. Once your video is approved for monetization, YouTube may place ads on or near it. You need to integrate an AdSense account to earn revenue from the ads. I'll look at AdSense in the next video. One factor in determining your earnings is the type of ad used. There are 5 types. Display ads are banners that run across all areas of the site except the home page. Overlay ads are transparent overlays that appear on the lower portion of your video. Skippable video ads can be inserted before, during, or after your video. Non-skippable video ads must be watched before the viewer can watch the content selected. Sponsored cards show viewers a teaser box for the card added to the video. Enable fan funding to allow your viewers to show their love. A Support This Channel button appears on your channel homepage. YouTube has launched a paid membership program called YouTube Red that provides, among other features, ad-free videos. What happens to our monetization? New revenue from YouTube Red membership fees will be distributed to the video creators based on how much members watch your content. The hard work is done. By monetizing our videos, we have created a passive income stream. In the next video, I'll look at linking an AdSense account to access that revenue and using YouTube Analytics to tweak our videos for a greater return. Thanks for watching.